Hello, friends. Welcome to Mimi's English storybook lesson. Let's enjoy the story together.
Mimi's Weekend Adventure.
Mimi the kitten wakes up early on Saturday. She says, "I will visit my cousin in the city." Mimi goes to the bus stop. On the bus, she sees many people. Mimi arrives in the city and meets her cousin Layla. They go to the park and ride bikes. They play basketball together. In the evening, they eat pizza and watch a movie. Mimi says, "Weekends are fun with family." Great job! You finished today's story. Don't forget to subscribe and come back next week for another Mimi adventure.